kind of garbage. So thankfully, this camera, you can pretty much do everything with the buttons that are on it, and it's pretty simple. So let's go take a ride on the scooter, see how the video turns out. Yeah, so some things that I really like about this camera so far is the fact that there is a USB-C port that you can access on one of the sides, one side of the camera. So with the Theta, if you need to charge it while you're using it, it's kind of hard to do that while it's mounted on a selfie stick or a tripod or anything that you'd mount it to, because that completely covers up the port that you need to charge it with. So some people have come up with some workarounds that work pretty well, but still. Another thing I really like about this is the fact that yes, you can operate it entirely with the buttons that are on the camera itself. It actually is not great using the app, so I probably won't use that for much of anything. You can't do anything with the video when you open up the app. You can't upload it to YouTube or anything of the sort, so I don't really know what the purpose of it is. But like I said, thankfully the camera works just fine with all the buttons that are on the outside. You can even switch it back and forth between pictures and video. You can change settings on it. You can do all kinds of things on that menu with just the two buttons that it has. So this is the park, and we have a brand new basketball court. Very nice. City of San Jose. Kids are gonna like that a lot. Okay, let's go on around. This is the park I walk my dogs in, or actually I don't walk my dogs. If you follow me on YouTube, you know that this is the way we get the dogs around on scooter. Yeah. It's pretty funny. But those damn dogs are fat. They need to get into shape. So this is their workout. Okay, well that is the end of the park. And I'm going to make that the end of the video.